guys, we are on our way to the dealership right now. Alright, so it's going to take us a little while to get there, but nevertheless, we will arrive, and I'm super excited. We're going to meet our salesperson, Rich, and he is the top M guy around, so I'm super excited for that. So yeah, see you when we get there. Okay, you guys, so we just had our appointment, and I really don't have anything to show you guys right now. There's still some things that need to be confirmed because of the color that I'm doing and the package that I'm going with. So there's nothing really in the visualizer and stuff like that to really look at. So I gotta wait on a couple things to get confirmed, and then I can have a better idea. But I don't know. I'm so freaking excited. It's for real this time, okay? It is for real this time. I got the right person, the right place, the right time, and yeah, it's gonna be great. Okay, you guys, it is officially December, the day after Christmas, okay? It is December 26th, and we are on our way to the dealership because my M2 is officially delivered. So, we are going to make our way there now, and I did get to see a little sneak peek video of it. It was very blurry. It was cell phone, quality over messaging. It was not, anything great, but I can tell you that I'm pretty much in disbelief, overall. So, yeah, so we're making our way there now, and I will continue to update you guys and take more footage and photos and all that good stuff. So, okay, you guys, so while I'm waiting, I got to pick out my, items of choice, my merchandise. So I went ahead and I picked out what I wanted, okay? So I'm still waiting. They went ahead and detailed it, and then, yeah, I'm going to be able to see it, okay?
One, go!
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness!
You happy?
Oh my gosh, this color! Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, the wheels! Oh
Huh?
my gosh! Oh my
I know.
gosh! It looks like a Hot Wheel! Oh my goodness!
In three,
All right.
Oh my
two,
goodness!
one, go!
Damn.
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness!
You happy?
Oh my gosh, this color! Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, the wheels! Gosh! Oh my goodness!
You happy?
Oh my gosh, this color! Wow! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh, the wheels! Oh my
Huh?
gosh! Oh my
I know.
gosh! It looks like a Hot Wheel! Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! This is not real! Oh my gosh! This is not real!
Yeah.
Holy crap! Oh my goodness!
Have a seat.
Oh my gosh! No way! No way! Holy crap!
It is sick. It looks almost like a wide body.
It doesn't look like a 2 at all.
Mm-mm.
All right. I guess we'll let you sign it now. Oh, we got to put the plate thing on. Put the plate.
What in the heck?
Right? What the hell is that?
Oh shit!
it was your general vision. I just helped you massage it a little bit. That's all.
Like, oh my goodness, I just can't even. Oh my gosh, can you
The
hear
decals, and
Right?
shit. Yeah.
Graphics.
Okay.
Voodoo
Paint them voodoo blue.
Yes. Oh my gosh, the van is there. Holy crap! I just can't. How is this real? Why?
Uh huh.
Oh
Picabella.
my gosh, molto bellissima. Are you kidding me?
Diffusion.
Oh my
Mm-hmm.
Just everything.
Everything.
There's just so much to
Were
see.
you messing with me?
Yeah, just a little bit.
You did lie
Yeah.
to me. Oh
Yeah, it's okay. Probably it's not the first time I lied to a girl.
You know what? This was for the right reason, okay? Oh my gosh. Babe, did you see this?
I did.
He did. Oh, I took him through it. Here,
Oh,
let's have you do paperwork with Symphony.
Yeah, let me go pay
Oh, yeah.
I feel like I need to take my shoes off before I do this. No.
No.
Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. It's so perfect. I feel like it's hugging me, Rick.
I know. I know. The wings are closed right now. You can open it off a little bit too.
Really? Oh my goodness. Oh, I want to start it so bad.
Soon enough. Actually, if you want, Aaron can do all of this outside and he can.
Go through it? Yeah.
Well, I'm just saying, with it running.
And all that stuff? Okay.
All right, ready?
You will.
You will.
I will.
Maybe not when it's running.
Keep messing with it.
Air pillow.
Oh, I didn't know the seats were like that
I
either.
don't know. Is this is like close to what heaven feels like, right?
Could be.
It's gotta be.
I didn't know I thought it was just
Oh my
red.
Exactly
You
feels
got all
range,
three
but I'm
colors
down.
on your seat.
Yeah, I did.
That's pretty nice.
I did. You see my phone case? Right?
Yes. Oh, I noticed.
I
It
was
was
like,
very
it's gotta
voodoo
be
blue.
close to the color. Oh my god. This color. This is. Rich, did you ever see voodoo blue in person?
Oh, yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Man, so you knew.
I knew. I knew
You knew.
exactly what it was going
Oh
to look
my
like.
gosh. And the steering wheel.
It's so.
You know what?
It's
You
so
know,
fluffy.
Tom got me driving gloves for Christmas, real driving gloves.
Good.
He did.
Wear them.
I got them with me.
Well, yeah, but I'm serious.
You're gonna need
Wear
it.
them
I will.
because
I know.
otherwise
With
you're gonna.
Alcantara. I know.
Tear it
I
up.
know. Oh my gosh. I love this.
Alcantara is very sexy, but she's very sensitive.
That's okay. Usually sexy
Let's come
things
inside
are,
here.
Rich.
Yes,
That's how that
yes,
works.
they are.
Let's come inside and look at the interior.
See, the M5 doesn't have the shifter. You
can roll
know?
this on its next revision.
You know what? I'm keeping this. You kidding
I
me?
know.
This isn't going anywhere.
Let's see the interior.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Look at these little details right here. Oh my gosh, like
Ready to?
The doors. Look at the door. Yeah, let's see.
I'm made of. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I gotta set up my account and
Do a
everything
turnaround thing. Look at
with
your
my
seat.
BMW Genius. Don't be shy.
The doors.
Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. I just can't. This is what dreams are made of. This is what you want. Okay, so they're gonna go put gas in it for me. I am shaking, so I'm having like a hard time think about driving it. Anyways, okay, so they went to go do that, and then yeah, it's just out of this world. And then my M340 was in the
Oh, yeah.
garage, and then Rich is right here. Oh, you guys, this is absolutely insane. I just took my first drive, and wow. Oh my gosh. It's amazing. It's so, I don't know, it's so perfect. Right now we're gonna put my M340i next to it. So it's nighttime, but I don't care. This is a nice lineup right
So I
here.
put the truck in extract mode.
Woo! Look at that blue, baby. Dang. I know Black Bombina's a little dirty, but oh my lord. Whew. And we got Big Orange taking care of Little Blue.